Research papers advance knowledge through rigorous analysis. A structured review ensures thorough, objective evaluation, cultivating a deeper understanding in students. Determine the research area, specific objectives, and intended audience. Identifying these helps students discern the paper's purpose and focus. Analyze key findings, overall purpose, and conciseness. This guides students in grasping the essence and implications of the research swiftly. Identify the research problem, context, and rationale. Understanding these elements empowers students to appreciate the research's significance. Examine data collection, analysis methods, and robustness. Students learn critical assessment of research techniques for credibility and reliability. Evaluate presentation, interpretation, and evidence. Students develop skills in verifying conclusions and their alignment with the data. Assess the quality, relevance, and effectiveness of references. This helps students understand the role of supporting literature in research. Highlight strengths and suggest improvements. Encourage students to provide thoughtful, constructive critiques, enhancing their analytical skills.